Hello and welcome to Apps4Gaps, the website created for you to find all the resources available for you and for your education. To find Apps4Gaps, you just need to type usvischools.com in any browser, for example Google. In the main page, you will find more information about the project that was created by a TMS group and the Department of Education of the U.S. Virgin Islands. For resource information, you can click Resource Information, and here you will find all the resources available and their support website. To discover which platforms are available for you and for your school, you just need to browse through your district, find your school, and see the platforms available. You can choose one, click, and you'll be able to reach the website. In Apps4Gaps, you will also find news about the updates in the platforms and much more. To know more about the company and the project, you can go About Us, where in the bottom of the page you can find Contact Us. To contact us, you just fulfill the information or click here to request a training session. That's Apps4Gaps. I hope you like it.